Happy Memorial Day. What's up, guys? What's up, guys?
What's up, YouTube? Thanks for joining in again. We're gonna see what we can get into on this Memorial Day. We're gonna do some swimming. Are we gonna do some swimming?
Yeah.
Yeah? Look at these boys all decked out. That makes me proud right here.
Oh, man.
They love America. No, America. America. All right, what's Memorial Day about?
People died in the army.
Yeah, in all the military, right? We remember them. Yeah. That's important. Right. Bit the bullet. Gonna pump this tire up. It's real annoying, but we got a mission and gotta accomplish it. I got a mess right here, big mess, but boys, they like to play golf out here. Got these clubs right here.
Daddy?
Yes, sir. Hold that.
Why are you making a video?
Might be asking why you got a mask on your face, because the pollen is horrible.
Yep, it sure is. You have to hear the sound.
See if we can get some air in this tire. And come on.
It might not. He is that fire, that tire, that big.
That's why I hate doing this. Right there. Success! Hello, Odins.
So I'm pretty good at drinking out of a bottle too. Me.
Okay. Help you take that off there. Turn your scope on. It works. It's crazy. That big old gun, you ain't even be able to see these little tiny holes right here. You think it's gonna do a little bit more than that, but anyway, it's still fun to shoot. Shooting range complete.
What's up, YouTube? I'm done, and this is what it looks like.
Cool. What is it again?
The Lego camper set. Ah!
Cool.
You know where he sleeps? I can take his chair and put it right here.
Well, let's get this off of you. Watch out.
Ow!
Get that little thing off there. Sorry. What are we doing here in a little bit?
We're gonna go swim!
Where at?
At my McDonald's.
Okay. Give him a fist bump out.
Cake bump.
You got a show on? Tell him about it.
It's red, and now it's black. It's 6. It's 6. And there's a light on it.
Like I said in the last video, this is old Taz. He's the runt of the litter. We had a cat come up. She drug all of her kittens up to the porch, so Some people would have done a different thing with them, but we decided to feed them. And Taz is the lone survivor. He don't go far from the house, but we stopped feeding them. They're just kind of fending for themselves. He's eating a little bit of pizza right now, but other than that, he just is a hang around. Cool little cat though. Cool little
cat. What we got going on right here? Oh, he ate it.
No, he doesn't want
Come over here. Show us that cool little seat you got.
Dragonfly. Happy, can I eat your pizza? Alright.
You love some food, huh? Yeah.
Oh! Mommy. No. I'm getting higher. I'm getting higher. I'm getting higher.
All right. Here we go. Didn't work out. Didn't work out. Hit the red button. Get that wall ball. Yeah. Oh goodness gracious. You better get that wall ball. Ooh. I can do it too. What? Oh, look at me dirty.
Lid off. Mommy.
Go smell the ground.
He's not having a seizure, I promise.
Mommy.
Smell the ground.
Hello, everybody.
Daddy!
Look at her.
The way.
You boys are crazy. You're gonna be a tough one, y'all. Yes, you are. Yeah. It's cool.
Are you leaving the video on?
Well, I mean, I won't use all of it. You never know if something funny's gonna happen, so I'll cut right.
Hey, chest clip down. Chest clip down on your chest, not your neck, please, sir. Thank you.
Don't want people calling out mommy on the internet.
Nope. Not gonna get mom shamed today. No, we're not.
Because we like hot.
Wonder we can't feel it.
I'm sweating.
Me too.
I'm glad.
It's about,
How hot is
isn't it
it?
107 degrees in this truck?
Yeah, that's what it says.
Fun.
How hot now?
Oh yeah, boys, where are we going?
There's a pool.
Going
Yeah.
swimming. Y'all been asking all day. The time is here.
We're gonna grill some food.
But first, who wants a slushie?
Me.
We get the slushie.
Give me.
Go on to the Innovative Food Center.
Mommy, I want the black girl.
Might as well be called the Golden Food
You
Center as
want
much as we
the
did.
chair wine.
I want the
Slushy.
black. Give me black.
It's just chair wine. It's not black, it's not red.
I want Caroline.
2 baby chair wines and a medium.
She said baby
Some
Caroline.
Got the goods. Alright, all I had was the cherry lemon.
Sorry,
And then cheer wine. I got cheer wine.
She wants for me.
What?
You're supposed to get 2 cherry wines.
Oh, they only had enough for one. So you can take cherry lemon, right? Okay.
Give me some.
How did Lizzie die?
She's really super, super old. Dogs don't live as long as humans. Like Layla's life expectancy, which is how long she's supposed to live, is like only like 10 or 11 years. And Oakley's expectancy is like 15 years.
Where are we?
Mama Donuts!
The moment you've been waiting for. Do it. Jump. Oh yeah.
That's Evie.
Oh, it's Evie?
Yeah.
Hey Evie, we'll blur you if you want. I'm just kidding.
She came in like a red.
You bet my outfit.
That
Oh,
was Big Say. Oh no.
Blake.
Not having it.
Blake.
Here. Sister, take her. I'm gonna take it.
What you looking at? Ooh.
Nick, Blake's
Go. You done swimming?
Yes.
Was it fun?
Have you used the bathroom?
Yeah, you bathing again? Look right here. Come look over here.
What? What are you eating?
Burgers.
What? Cheeseburgers?
If you want cheeseburger.
I want cheeseburger.
Oh yeah, fire 'em on the grill.
Hey Nick,
Oh,
bet you won't go bull slapping.
bet. Bet. Yeah, let me just get them warmed up so you can grab them. I like the reach. Come on. Come on. Ooh, girl. Come here. Come on.
He's going to guard. Water. Go get Big Red, Nick. Go get him. Nick, go play with Big Red.
Come here. Come here. Come on. I don't like them, man. These things are some powerful animals right here. I'm not checking out on this. I'm a dad. I got kids. I got a family to feed. Can't even mess around with no bulls. He won't let me get close enough. Oh, he about to charge me. Come on, oh. I can do a little juke.
Look at that one, Nick. He's actually got some horns. He's looking you down,
I
too.
ain't messing with that little guy.
Just hop on it.
Come here. Come here.
Nick, I bet you should just run out the herd.
I ain't messing with that little one will kill me, man. I ain't doing it. Alright, I lied. I ain't gonna slap no bull. Alright guys, thanks for watching today, and once again, happy Memorial Day. Don't forget to remember all those veterans and people that gave their life for this great country. But alright boys, what you want to say? Make quick. Make quick. All right, you say bye. Huh?
No, still talking.
Oh, psh, okay. Say subscribe. Say please subscribe. Say please subscribe.
Please get it up.
Say it. Please subscribe. Okay, we're not. Please subscribe to the channel. Give us a like. Hit the notification button. And we'll see you next time. Out.